impilo Mabunda ifuna inkani.
Sure.
Ifuna abantu abazoba nenkani. Kunabantu abahleli nabantu abasilent kanti le silence yabo means the relationship it's over. Abanye bethu ngabe kudala safika kwaMpumelelo.
Sure.
Ngabe kudala safika.
Sure.
But indawo esizalelwe kiyo akekho omunye umuntu okwaphumelela. And ibhlungu eMabunda le. Lo ukuthi ushare ama feelings wakho ngwathathe serious.
Sure.
Kodwa wena mase ngishare wami uyawanyathela. In other words ngiprioritize wena kodwa mina ngiprioritize. The fact ukuthi umuntu ufaithful akusho ukuthi ustupid. One of the problems that we have in our generation ilento yokuthi sinabantu that listen to respond and not listen to understand. It's very painful ukuthi njalo abantu mabadibana nawo bayathatha and into engishaya ngalokho they don't care ukuthi usala nani.
Yo bhuti
asikhathazwa bhuti
sure
ukuthi mhlambe senza kakhulu
sure
but sikhathaza ukuthi ababona abantu esibenzelayo.
Yo
angiphinde
yo sibuda no mina ngakuzwile
kunomuntu wakho okubiza ngegama uma angafuni anything but makafuna something ukubiza ngama pet names. Iyekeleni lento yena
akubiza ngegama lesikole
bhuti. But ave bukhulu ukuthandana nomuntu otoxic kodwa ongazi ukuthi utoxic. Kanti kunezinto lezi bekazenza kuma previous relationship ezenza abanye basali. Kanti admit your contribution means that you are prepared to build. Most of you iphuteni lenzayo niyamosha. Mase nimoshile nifuna ukumove on ninga acknowledge the contribution that you did. Eniyenzile lana buyakho. Greetings South Africa. This is Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuzi. Welcome to yet another episode of Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuzi, episode number 24. Please kindly ladies and gentlemen don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And above all, as always, I'm not alone. Nendoda yamadoda. Sbuda the Buddhas. Right put.
Yeah no right Mabunda no Ukraine mfethu.
Angimnandi put.
I know siyabonga sibingelele yonke South Africa. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuzi. Siyabingelela bafethu. And ningakhohlwa bafethu nge-29 zika November ebukhoneni with Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuzi all white experience eSwaziland. Bafethu amatikiti it's 150 emalangeni, iVIP is 350. And for those abadibhuti sibuna omfethu Mabunda angesikwazi ukuphumelela but we can sponsor and support any forms of money for this event ukuthi kwazi ukuhamba. And bafethu number 064 600 751 siyan welcome Real Talk. And Mabunda mfethu I discovered something mfethu.
Sure.
Mfethu iReal Talk yapusha lapha kwa YouTube.
Yapusha.
Angibone our ngiyazi episode band but inabo 2.8
views.
Yeah, I was like,
which episode is that?
I don't know what's that, but I'll confirm with you.
Wow.
Like wow. Ngiyabona most of them it's 1K nje. Uyabona? Yeah, siyabonga kakhulu uthando lweni bafowethu. Siyajabula kakhulu uNkulunkulu anibusise niqhubeke njalo nisubscribe ni like Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuzi. Dibundase mfowethu.
Puti. By the way, also I saw someone that sent you I don't know whether a t-shirt ne bhruku le Real Talk. Angazi bafethu if we were to create merchandise Real Talk, would you guys support us bafethu? Ni support us khona ukuthenga izinto ezinandi si improve i-production yethu so that we take it to the next level. The question is, will you guys be able to support us if we were to come with a merchandise Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakaze Sumuzi? That could be a t-shirt, a sweater or anything that has to do with merchandise. Maybe a kepu, ipoti, the Real Talk. Will you guys support us? If you will support us, please kindly comment which yes, we'll support you. Then we'll come up with that merchandise. Yeah. Good.
Prophet.
Asihlabe lento.
Yeah no vele sihlabe
singasamoshi yini bathi amaseko or yini.
Mana but we need to get a cameraman.
Yeah. Hey. No, sting cameraman, sting ama mic. There is a lot, man.
Yeah, no.
There's a lot.
Put
kabang.
No, let's continue.
Let's continue.
Sure.
Yeah. Putin. I want to ask you a question.
Sure.
Singathi siyarekhoda la kanti asirekhodi. Oh, okay.
Ngiyarekhoda.
Ngiyarekhoda. Angisathembi lutho. Buti,
Sure.
have you ever been in a position
Eish.
whereby you feel tired?
Sure.
Uma ufunda iBhayibheli to labantu abafunda iBhayibheli, we find a situation whereby kunendoda kaNkulunkulu ebizwa ukuthi uElijah. uElijah uqeda ukuwina impi enkulu. He's just killed 400 prophets of Baal and whatsoever that he had just done. Then out of the blue, the very same Elijah
Sure.
lo oqeda ukunqoba, the very same Elijah oqeda ukwehlisa umlilo phansi wasuka ezulwini wabulala abaprofeti. You understand the victory that he has just had, this guy. Then he gets to a point whereby he prays a very strange prayer that says, Lord, kill me. I'm not different from my ancestors. He's at a point of fatigue, at a point of ukhathele. Waka was tola in a position whereby you are like, I'm tired. You get what I'm saying? Because of kunabantu puti kumanje as sikhuluma, that person is a single mother.
Sure.
Kunabantwana ababheke yena. Kunomndeni obheke yena. Ukhathele. But uyasaba nokukhuluma kwangathi ukhathele. Ngoba the minute azosho ukuthi I'm tired, bazocabanga kongathi bayinkinga or anything like that.
Yeah.
Or uthola ukuthi kunomjida mfethu onakekela umndeni wakhe. Yes, it's your responsibility and your job to take care of your family, but you find out that you still have a responsibility to take care of your extended family. You are just giving everything to everyone but except yourself. And uzithola you are in a position whereby you are bleeding emotionally and you are exhausted physically. Have you ever been at a point whereby you're like, you know what, I'm tired. Maybe when njengosibuda ushuta ama video ka TikTok and you're at a point whereby you're like, I feel like ngayekela ukuposta ama video and just and just take a break from shooting ama video. Or maybe like I feel like maybe we can just stop real talk.
Real talk, sure.
And those that are receiving, they don't understand the process of shooting. They don't understand the amount of effort that you put to doing this thing. And sometimes you are putting your all, but it feels as though there is no reward to lento le oyenzayo. Have you ever been in that position, man?
Yeah, but man, this is deep, man.
Sure.
I'm glad that this is real talk.
Sure.
But which is true. Sikhuluma amaqiniso la as though they are.
Yes.
We don't sugarcoat things because
Sure.
I believe that this platform sivulele lokho ukuthi we cannot be limited.
Sure.
We speak the unspoken.
Sure.
You understand?
Yeah.
The things that people are ababhekana nazo in real life.
Yeah.
Yabona. Mina ngizokutshela iqiniso but
Sure.
Even amakhosi ayakhathala. Even ama president ayakhathala.
Sure.
Even powerful leaders ayakhathala.
Sure.
That's the real talk.
Sure.
That's the reality of yona.
Sure.
No matter how powerful you are.
Yeah.
But kunala khona ufika ukhathala khona.
Hey, sibude.
Uma singakhumbula kahle Mabunda, uSamson wabulala thousands and thousands of soldiers
Yeah.
ngomhlathwe embongolo.
Yeah.
But as soon as aqeda wakhathala. But as long as wenza something empilweni uzokhathala.
Uzokhathala, that's true.
And kunento ke bhuti mfowethu that mina I've learned. Impilo Mabunda ifuna inkani.
Sure.
Ifuna abantu abazoba nenkani.
Sure.
Let me define yini inkani.
Yini inkani?
Inkani isho ukuthi Mabunda mfowethu indlala ibulala uma wakho.
Sure.
Indlala yabulala ubhuti wakho.
Sure.
Indlala yasha ama families akini.
Sure.
But this time around when usukhathele yiyo ulwa nayo. Ukuthi enough is enough.
Sure.
And ungizwe kahle Mabunda akusho ukuthi mawunenkani powerful.
Sure.
Ukuthi amandla sewaphelile but I'm doing this thing.
Doing this thing.
So that's why I put it mina impilo ifuna inkani.
Sure.
There's a time I never spoke to you about this thing in my childhood.
Sure.
The time ngisadlala ibhola.
Sure.
Ngake ngashaya igoli ngafeinta.
Hayibo.
Yeah. Collapse put kolanda manzi. Gone. You know what was happening in that scenario?
Sure.
mina ke bengingajima ngisho before man game Saturday
You
during the week Monday Tuesday you need to come uzo train,
Yeah,
you understand?
yeah.
So mina ke benginokuskipha ngengezi, you
Sure.
understand? Kanti there's a big match that we need to play.
Sure.
Emakhaya ke thina besidlala ngegodi.
Sure.
Bemakuthiwa mhlambi kaMalinga, i-team yakamalinga, uma ngabe i-team yakasibukani estradini sakasibeko isidlala nesibeko,
Sure.
you understand?
Sure.
But eyethu bekuyidinangwe yasefeni.
Sure.
So now kwenzeka mina ngangeze Jimini.
Sure.
So what happened is strike amabunda.
Gijima
Strike, yeah. Bengilapha phambili. And remember iscore 1-1.
Sure.
And isikhathi esihambile on the board.
Sure.
Kwenzeka ibhola baliphasa kumina ngibhekene no goalkeeper.
Sure.
But kwasho le bhola baliphasa phambili kakhulu and
Sure.
I need to pick up the speed.
The speed and run.
Kanti mangipick up speed,
Qeda amandla.
stamina, I'm not trained for stamina. But ngazama guess what ngasebenzisa inkani ngathi yabona la into eyongisiza angilwela ukufika ebholeni mangilikhabile ukuthi sanyageja mangilikhabile but angilazi nokuthi ngene nini but ngiyakhumbula ngakhaba ngabheka phezulu ngangivuka kwathi umdlalo uphelile swinile ndoda siyabonga eyizwa lento
Sure.
ngizama ukuthini impilo iyayidinga inkani.
Sure.
It does not mean when you are tired you have to give up.
Sure.
Tiredness is a part of, it's a response ukuthi oh you are doing something.
Eish. Ngaba puti mina I'm so glad we're talking about this thing because of we live in a generation whereby abantu babulala izinto bakungakosanga bazibulale. Kanti in reality you needed to rest. You were just tired. For example, kunomuntu puti that was in a good relationship or good marriage. Washo ukuthi it got to a point whereby exhausted loyo muntu waqeda into lebe kungakosanga ayiqede. Kunomuntu kumanje futhi uhlezi endlini akasasebenzi uresignile kanti ukuresigna kwakhe was just that bekakhathele wa resigna instead ukuthi arrest
Athathe leave.
Bafethu, it's very important to understand that when you are tired, you rest. Number two, when you are tired, you continue ngenkani. Always remember why you started.
Hey.
Ngoba sinabantu futhi uma kufika isizini yokukhathala bayakhohlwa ukuthi kungani baqalile. Bafethu impilo lena. Everyone will tell you that when you start a race, we start unamandla. But along the way, ayaphela. And aphela ingoba there is something that you are doing. But ukuphela kwamandla akusho ukuthi yeka. You continue even though you are tired. Yekele lento bafethu ukuthi listen to me. You have every right to get tired. Lo mzimba lo body kuyafika isikhathi la ukhathala khona. But ekhathaleni we rest and we continue with the journey.
As prophet mfowethu,
Sure.
yeah, but siyandlula kulento,
Sure.
so we'll figure it out. Imoto before izohamba iyayishaya full tank,
Sure.
but guess what, ayifiki ne full tank
La yakho.
la yakho.
Sure.
Ifika sene half,
Sure.
sene quarter tank,
Sure.
ovele seyizophela.
Sure.
Isho ukuthini lento? As long as you are doing something in life,
Hey.
there's something you're gonna lose along the way.
Hey.
But it's very important sometimes ukuthi upake sidini
Sure.
and fix yourself ukuze ube right.
Sure.
I-problem yethu mabunda, hey, I'm sorry to say this.
Say it.
Let me speak this thing.
Speak it.
Buti akusizo zonke igora ezinama muscle a genuine.
Yo, man.
Abanye mabunda bayayiphakamisa insimbi kodwa kunezinto abazidlayo. Wena leso sikhathi awudli lutho
Yo.
bese usicompare nabantu bama powder.
Yo. Sbu.
Kunabantu but impumelelo yabo abanye it's not real, it's not genuine. Kunezinto abakhave ngazo. So if you gonna compete with them ngento uNkulunkulu akunikeze yona with your journey.
Yo.
Because when our kama muscle are real,
Yo.
and i-pace yawo angeke izifane nale yalapha.
Yo.
Ifana nalento put in business.
Sure.
Ukuthi omunye umuntu ibusiness yakhe iyaqhuma njengama popcorn and you wanna be like that person.
Sure.
No.
Yo.
At some point puti pace uNkulunkulu azokunikeza yona in your life
Sure.
ireal umusu ukuzicompare nabantu abangekho kuleni yakho ngoba ngeke ubazi ukuthi banani labo bantu.
But you know there is a player, excuse me for that.
Sure.
There is a player that got disqualified. I forgot the name of this particular player.
Who
He's an
got?
athlete.
Got disqualified.
No,
You said got disqualified.
not no, it's Lunga.
Go God. Oh. Hey, put him pronounce madoda ngizwakale.
Not God.
Yeah,
God. Yeah,
Sure.
G-O-T.
Sure.
Yeah, not G-O-D. There is a player that got disqualified. And the reason this particular player was disqualified
Sure.
is because of kuthe before aqala ukuracea waphuza ama supplements. You get what I'm saying? Wathi egijima enza ama athletic nqebo. Watholakala ukuthi they won the race. But when they did ama test bathola ukuthi ke emzimbeni wakhe kunama substance that have been banned ukuthi akosanga uwaphuze lawa maphilisi mawuzogijima because they give you extra power. Now into engifuna ukuyisho naye ungathola ukuthi lapha kunomuntu that trained better than him who came position number 3 position number 4 who worked hard. You get what I'm saying? Don't wanga achieve lezo zinto. Kwasho ukuthi ke yena usebenzisa amandla akhe natural. This other one used is into ezingekho emthethweni, which then brings to the point that you've just made now to say iyekele lento yokuzicompare nabanye abantu kanti nazi ukuthi abamanga ngoba bemile. You have every right to be tired. Bona bazo continue ngoba kunezinto that are illegal that they are doing. Abayisebenzayo. Eputi. Speaking of that again, I made a video this week. I'm gonna repeat what I said on that video. Ngithe kule video mfoka mango kukhona la bengiyakhona.
Sure.
Kwasho ukuthi ke obvious when you're going somewhere you wait at a bus stop.
Sure.
Ngalinda kule ndawo lebo kose ngilinde kiyo. Ngagibela nalomfo itaxi. Into engishaya naye mfoka mango. Ithele taxi mayihamba. Makosa sibhadale. Mina ngakhipha i40 rand nganikeza lo mfo u drive. Lo mjitalo wakhipha i20 rand wanikeza u drive.
Sure.
Ngabuza ke mina mfoka manga uthi hey budi kutheni mina same taxi same driver but same locations isuke endaweni eyi1 so 2 kodwa iyahluka iprice kuza kanjani? Wathi lo mfo Mabunda you do not understand something. Mina the reason why kose ngikhipha imali encane ingoba ngiyoyehla before wena and angeke ngifike la wena uya khona. Wena the reason uzobhadala le mali but uyakude. Yangishaya ke lento to say kunabanye bethu siyamangala why izimpi esilwayo zinzima kunezinto abanye bayithola bangayithandazela. Thina we need to pray to get lento engiyifunayo. Uthola ukuthi mfoka mango wena mawufuna umsebenzi you need to fight. Mawufuna imoto you need to find. Mawufuna yonke into impilo yakho you've been fighting. You are where you are because of your fighting. And abanye the road has been smooth. Ganti the difference is that the price difference is because of the chain and the destination is not the same. So when you're at a point where you are feeling tired, remember it's normal. Remember it's part of life to get tired. But the fact that you are tired, it doesn't mean you should quit.
Yo. Puti leni sensitive ne.
Sure.
But siyayikhuluma.
Sure.
Abanye bethu ngabe kudala safika kwampumelelo.
Sure.
Ngabe kudala safika.
Sure.
But indawo esizalelwe kiyo akekho omunye umuntu okwaphumelela.
Hey budi.
Sithi silwa nempumelelo sikhathale.
Sure.
Siphinde semakhaya sifuna ukuyotakula esizalwa nabo esiphila nabo ekhaya.
Yo.
And to a point ukuthi abanye bagijima phambili
Sure.
bayaphumelela.
Sure.
So iphutha lethi esilenzile Mabunda ukuthi siyicompare nabantu abalwelwa impumelelo.
Yo.
Thina it's for the first time sizoqala impumelelo ngami.
Yo Sibuda.
You understand bro?
Sure.
Abanye bethu bhuti impumelelo yethu ngabe kudala sifikile but now we need to rescue odadewethu. Have you ever get tired bhuti ukhathazwe impilo?
Sure.
To a point ukuthi kusakose uthwale nabanye basekhaya. uzuye nabo kwampumelelo abanye bethi hayi ngoba siba delayed ngoba sinasi speed but abantu esibathwele emva kwethu lento iyaqala ngami ukuba kunabantu bhuti abakazi bahola 10,000 iyaqala ngami yo kubo nje babamba nje u2000 u1000 u500 iyaqala nga because at the end of the day bhuti ungizwe kahle mfowethu izimpi esibhekana nazo azifani nezabanye abantu and sometimes ungizwe kahle bhuti kungcono ngikhathazwe impilo nokuthi ngiyazama ngifuna ukuphumelela kunokuthi ngikhathazwe ukukhompetha nabantu
Mang
kunabantu bhuti hayi ngoba bakhathele inkinga bakhathazwe ukuthi bakhompetha nabo bani kanti mawungake bhuti uvala amehlo and focus on your lane ukuthi okay mina ngizala kwaSibiya ngizala kwaShabalala and kwaShabalala kunezinto engakase zenzeka but ziyoqala ngami
bhuti
but we are busy sinakana nabantu yet bona abafani nathi
mango usakhuluma ngokuthi sinakana nabantu yet bona abafani nathi I am reminded mfoka mango about a scenario that I want to put at play here the scenario that I want to describe imoto negandaganda azifani igandaganda mvangeli inomsebenzi ukuthi iqale ilungise indlela ikhiphe amatshe does it make sense so that uma kuzofakwa imigwaqo imoto izovela ihambela kunabantu mfoka mango abanga understand ukuthi bangamagandaganda into abayenzayo bazoklinela labantu abaza emva kwabo now into ebuhlungu nayo ukuthi labantu obaklinela baphinde bakudelela ayikho into ebuhlungu njengaleyo mfoka mango kwangathi ungababuza bafethu do you understand that you are where you are because of their battles that I fought on your behalf bafethu kunabantu in our families who have become ama breadwinner and njengoba bangama breadwinner they are not always going to be able to provide for us sometimes they need to have time for themselves iphutha ongalenza mfoka mango ukudelela umuntu olwayo kuze kube nesinkwa simply because of there is a month ahlulekile ukuletha isinkwa ngoba abantu puti 90 ebuhlungu mfoka mango kunabantu puti abaqabanga kwangathi izinto will always be right kanti bafethu we get tired sometimes you need time and space for your life now your family members they want money from you your brothers they want money from you your sisters they want money from you your in-laws they want money from you kanti in so doing you are neglecting yourself for their sake okubuhlungu uthi so sacrificeile mfoka mango so sacrificeile wena yema do you know mfoka mango let me say this thing ngicolele bafethu ngizoyikhuluma iqiniso do you know bafethu kunabantu ngabe dala baneimoto ngabe dala banezindlu nama ngabe baphila impilo ebuthebelele but ama responsibilities from labantu ababawondlayo and the very simple ababawondlayo baphinde babadelele on top of that I had to wait 10 years of my life earning good salary it's good salary because of if I was to take care of myself I would achieve things faster but because of the fact there are people that I need to accommodate I'm unable to do what I love I'm unable to go to places where I like simply because of kunabantu koseni bafeed bafethu listen it's not that it's a problem I love what I'm doing but appreciate what I'm doing
wama
yazi mabunda mfowethu it's painful ukuthi abantu bathathe njalo kuwena they always take
Sbuda
ungizwe kahle bhuti ne ungizwe kahle as much as people they can take they always take from me they always take from me mhlambe nalabantu abathathayo abakwazi ukungibuyisela back lezo zinto as an encouragement because they are taking that's why in my statement I'm saying it's very painful ukuthi njalo abantu mabadibana nawo bayathatha and into engishaya ngalokho they don't care ukuthi usala nani
Yo bhuti.
Kunabantu bhuti baze bayasaba nokubamba ifoni.
Yo.
Because akekho umuntu ozofona ambuza uthi njani impilo.
Yo.
How are you coping? Njalo ifoni mayizokhala makayibamba ngicela ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ngifuna in. You understand?
Sure.
There are people who are facing that thing. People they always take.
Sure.
That's why I'm ngiyarepeata futhi lento. Abantu abathatha I'm not expecting ukuthi balethe lento abayithathayo.
Sure.
But bhuti uyangibona ngibreadwinner ekhaya.
Sure.
Ngiyaphusha ngenza sure ukuthi ni right.
Sure.
At least mfowethu anike nihlale namphansi ningibonge.
Hey.
Bhuti siyabonga.
Hey, we see what you're doing. Siyabonga.
Mama siyabonga.
Yo.
Baba siyabonga. Yazi baba siyabona ukuthi uyayikhandla ngendlela oyikhandla ngayo.
Oh.
But abantu bak-appreciate baza bakhala inyembezi.
Yo.
Do you know what that has just izokwenza lento like kimi?
Sure.
Izonginikeza encourage yokuphusha.
Hey, bhuti.
But sometimes asikhathazwa ukuthi Nkosi yami yo okay. Asikhathazwa bhuti.
Sure.
Ukuthi mhlambe senza kakhulu.
Sure.
But sikhathaza ukuthi ababona abantu esibenzelayo.
Yo.
Angiphinde.
Yo, bhuti, no mina ngokuzwile bhuti.
Yeah. Asikhathaza ukuthi Mabunda we are tired really.
Sure.
But into esikhathazayo ukuthi lo engithandana naye izinto engimenzela zona kayiboni.
Sure.
Kanti uma engabona athi mayisithando sami ngiyabona.
Hey.
Uyazi mfowethu ngiyabona ukuthi uyazikhandla ngendlela oyikhandla ngakhona. You understand? And it worse lokuthi wenzela abantu bacede bakutreat okolwabishi.
Hey.
Even in family members.
Sure.
Mina I'm only be treated good like amanghola.
Hey.
Zingaze shayabo my 5 6 10 I'm treated like a trash.
Hey bhuti.
But uma ngabe imali mase kusondela i25 30 ngiyinkosi yala ekhaya mina bangigucela na.
Bhuti ungikumbuza the time ngisakhula.
Bekwenzala
Ngina I have kunabantwana bakasiswami. There was a pattern that I had noticed. Uma kunento bayifunayo.
Sure.
Bebangibiza Malum Nyeko. Lalela bhuti. I knew bese ngazi. Wezwa especially uMatiti nyazi noma ngayibona uMatiti beka west. Umshana. Umshana bekana lento ukuthi makafuna something uzofaka umalume. But uma angafuni lutho angibize ngegama athi Nyiko. And I'm like, why is this the case? Same applies in kuma relationship. Kunomuntu wakho okubiza ngegama uma angafuni anything. But makafuna something ukubiza ngama pet names. Iyekelele lento yena.
akubiza ngegama lesikole.
But I wanted to say something for Amang.
Sure. Yeah, provide.
I was still saying something about abantu abachalayo.
Sure.
Kunenye into engayibona ngabantu abachalayo mfoka Amang. Umuntu ochalayo bhuti uyayinakekela le ndawo athola khona lezinto lezi ayitshalayo. What do I mean by that? Umuntu otshala uyatshala mfoka Mango athi sekatshalile noma sekathole leyo mbila even when the season of harvest seyifikile whether amatamatisi or whatsoever that he harvest from that farm akajike ayilahla ngasayinakekeli uyayinakekela le ndawo le noma kungathiwa ke the very same farm ayisamnikezi imbila ayisamnikezi whatsoever lobekayitholile uyayinakekela iphutha labantu abaningi nani abayinakekeli le ndawo ebafidayo. Angazi if it makes sense. You need to recognize when someone is taking care of you. It can be in a relationship, it can be in a friendship. Iphutha lethu is that we think after sesulitholile usizo ngeke salidinga lelo sizo again. Kanti ungalithola usizo namhlanje. Ivili liyajika. I'm sorry to use this thing. They say do not do lendawo eksizayo.
Yeah,
so abantu abaningi bhuti banephutha lokuthi baphinde badelele the very same place ebafidayo ababenefita kiyo. Now the question is one, how can you take from me and not appreciate what you are taking from me? You get what I'm saying? So it doesn't matter whether it's a family member enimbona bafethu to say lo muntu walivusa ikhaya, lo muntu lo uyanakekela unise esikolweni, lo muntu lo kunezinto eziningi that gets involved kizo. The minute kuba nomnqwabo ngicabanga yena for imali, the minute usibanibane eshada ngicabanga yena.
kanti when are you going to take time and appreciate labantu laba that play a very significant role? And oftentimes mfokamanga badelelekile labantu labo. Emangu angazi ngibani wayisho lento wathi abekho abantu abadelelwa where else badlala umsebenzi omkhulu kufana nalamajita whereby kuma funeral a week before funeral laba gubha umgodi laba ba make sure ukuthi itende likhona baya cleaner, they do everything, yet the very same people that played a huge role in preparing for lo mcimbi lo, they are the very same people abadelelwayo simply because of they did not contribute financially. Bafethu, listen to me very carefully. Anyone that is playing a huge role in your life, anyone that is doing something great, it's very, very important to appreciate those people.
Yazi but asisha istembu le.
Sure.
Uma umuntu ezokwenzela into enhle.
Sure.
Choose ukusupporta financial esikolweni.
Sure.
Enze sure ukuthi rent yakhe ibhadaliwe.
Sure.
Enze sure ukuthi ugrant.
Sure.
Asicacise.
Sure.
Ukwenza lokho willingly.
Hey.
Akafostwanga kabhekanga sibhamu.
Yo.
Musa ke wena ukumthathela iadvantage.
Yo.
Bese uyamdelela ngoba ukwenzela lezo zinto.
Yo.
Yi-choice yakhe ngoba uyathanda. What decide uyathanda ukuthi akwenzele lezo zinto.
Sure.
You understand? Because sinabantu but abese badelela.
Hey.
Kanti umuntu anga withdraw so kusibona ukuthi usurvive njani.
Yo.
Because at the end of the day ubone isidingo.
Sure.
Okay but yini isidingo? Isidingo mabunda kufana nokuthi ubona la kuvuza khona.
Sure.
Then u decide ukumvalela umuntu so that impilo yakhe izokwazi ukwenza ukuchubeka.
Sure.
So bakhulekele futhi babonge ba appreciate abantu abanjalo.
Sure.
Ukuthi you need to appreciate those people ubenze kahle ungabaphakameli.
Sure.
Number 2 puti.
Yes sir.
Angikhulume le.
Ikhulume.
It is very dangerous lento engizoyikhuluma la.
Sure.
Umnyathela umuntu.
Sure.
Especially mangabe uthandana naye.
Sure.
Kuyenzeka umuntu umnyathele uthandana.
Sure.
Mawumnyathela kubekezelele.
Sure.
Ekukubekezeleleni kwakhe akhathale.
Sure.
Uyingozi umuntu okukhathala angakhombi.
Hey.
Ukuthi sengikhathele.
Yo.
Ngoba ongakhombi uyoloku umnyathela wesi.
Yo.
Up until aqime.
Sure.
Ungcono bhuti lo omnyathela akukhomba ukuthi mfethu ngikhathele uyangilimaza ngalento.
Yo.
Because you can be able ukulungisa indlela zakho.
Sure.
Compared to umuntu mabunda mfethu othi momnyathela ukukhathala kwakhe kungakhombi.
Hey.
Imishini izokhala.
Yo.
Because ungizwe kahle but kunabantu abashiye silent empilweni zethu.
Sure.
Uzibuze ubani ngamenzani waya angishiya kanti wakhathala wangakhomba ukuthi ukhathele.
Yo.
Ifana nalento ukuthi mabunda mfowethu I was asking myself the same question ukuthi why tholakala ukuthi umuntu ushada naye on the other week kulezo shada ngalo.
Sure.
Angasasho wapi kulelo viki emshadweni ube wedwa on the aisle. Uzibuza kwenza ngikhathele because ngiyazi ukuthi mhlazana ngiyothi ngiyothi I do ukuthi uchubeke unginyathela ungigibele ekhanda ngikuphele ngami. So abanye abantu bashiya nje it's because of bakhathele but abasikhombisa kudala sibapress.
Ngamanye amagama abantu bayakhohlwa ukuthi abantu banamehlo and abantu banemizwa and zonke lezi zinto ziyabona enesiyezwa.
Sure.
Iphutha lomuntu ukuchubeka enze into ekulimazayo uloku uyabona ukuthi lento ayenzayo yamlimaza and sometimes uyaddress ukuthi 1 2 3 4 iyangilimaza aqhubeke regardless yokubona the damage and the pain enzakala ngalencane and then you decide to keep quiet. Ngoba kunabantu futhi abahlezi kodwa abasekho kule ndawo le abahlezi kiyo. Ifana nomuntu futhi omthethisayo esipanini. The day umbona angasa-react athula kubheke understand and
imani khathele
but kumanje me I'm telling you mama kunabantu futhi abanama resignation letter sewabhaliwe because of the treatment abayithola emsebenzini. If umuntu yakhona ukubhala i-resignation letter ayibeke angayihandi over immediately ahlale ukuthi usemsebenzini but uresign Same applies kuma relationship. Kunabantu abaresigna kodwa basahleli. And okubhlungu ngaleyo nto ukuthi labantu azobayeka bona they gonna be surprised but yena ngeke abe surprised ngoba kudala wa resign. Ubhlungu wabuzwa the day ebhala i-resignation letter. Kanti that day ebhala ukuthi no I'm quitting. That's the day yena ayizwa le pain. The day I hand over the letter seka acceptile to say angisekho kulento. Abantu abayozubhlungu yilabo abayitholayo i-resignation letter. Same applies to ama relationship. Kunabantu kudala ba divorce. Kunabantu kudala bahlukana. Baphuma. The day ayokutshela ukuthi ngiyaphuma la. Wena oyozwa le ndaba for the first time uyolimala. And okubhlungu naye inkinga ngathi mango naye sifuna ukulungisa kanti it's already too late. Ngeke mfethu ungilimaza uthi ngoba inkinga yethu singabantu sivamisile mfoka mango ukufuna ukushintsha very late ngoba sicabanga kwangathi abantu uma sibenza intwembi uma abantu singabaphathi kahle ababoni and abezwa ubuhlungu. Kanti the day when you decide ukushintsha mina ngisekho lapho, why are you changing now? For all of these things, or for all of these years, you were doing the very same thing. You are mistreating me like I'm nothing. Kutheni the day ngifuna ukuresign? Kana manje ke ngifuna ukungicrizela isalary. And most of the time, umuntu akaresign angayitholanga better offer than this one. Hey. Ene umuntu ombona useless ecompany le yakho, useful kwenye company.
Hey, Prophet.
Sibu.
When umuntu egwala,
sure,
decide ukuhlukana nawe,
sure,
uhlukana nawe ngoba sekakhathele,
sure,
indlela omzwisa ngayo,
sure.
Ngistuck kuleyo ukuthi kunabantu iningi labantu line tendency yokushintsha very late.
Hey,
yet the damage
it's been done. Sure. Excuse me.
Leo Mabunda angengene deep kuyona.
Ngena deep kuyona mfoka manje.
Ukuthi iphutha labantu abashintsha sekulate.
Sure.
Abalenzayo most of the time.
Sure.
Abayibheki timing abashintsha ngayo.
Yo. Hey.
Yeputi, let me speak this thing nawe sizoyikhuluma soyi2.
Sure.
Ungableeda manje but.
Sure.
Ubleed engakunaki.
Sure.
Ungitshele ndoda ngiyableeda.
Sure.
And ekubleedeni kwakho kanti kube ngakuthatha serious ngafonela iambulance.
Sure.
Kodwa ngendaba ukuthi angikuthathi serious.
Sure.
Ngikubone sothula.
Yo,
ungizwe kahle but. Mawuthula ushona same time uwaphansi.
Sure.
Ngibe nento ukuthi Nkosi yami angifonele iambulance. No wenza into right but ngesikhathi eswrong.
No.
So when ushintsha
smooth
emotion umuntu suba right naye.
Hey.
Yena bese move on nihlukana sekafile
yo
ureact very late.
Sure.
Ngayiphinda
smooth.
Yabona but if singathatha serious ama feelings wabantu when they share them on the table.
Sure.
Bese ngeke sibe nama unnecessary breakup.
Sure.
Bese ngeke Mabunda mfethu kuphele ama friendship.
Sure.
Because ungizwe kahle kunabantu mfethu imindeni ngabe babambene but inkinga wathi omunye ebeka ama feelings akhe bawa crusha
benza ngathi akusulutho.
And ibhlungu eMabunda le lo ukuthi ushare ama feelings wakho ngwathathe serious.
Sure.
Kodwa wena mase ngishare wami uyawanyathela. In other words ngiprioritize wena kodwa mina ngiprioritize. Nakho lokho kungenza ngikhathale.
Futhi
ngiyayiphinda futhi asi acte ngesikhathi esi right uma abantu sibalimaza.
But one of the problems that we have in our generation ilento yokuthi sinabantu that listen to respond and not listen to understand. sake sakhuluma lento ukuthi sinabantu abaku defensive mode, sinabantu abangafuni uku-acknowledge uma basimoshile. Kanti uma ngizofika kuwe mfoka Mango ngitshele ukuthi uyenze 1 2 3 4 5 bowungimosha le time wenza and ayizanga yangiphatha kahle, instead yokuthi uacknowledge ubwrong bakho uyazidefenda ene uzama ukujustify ukuthi wangimoshelana. Ingakho kunabantu namhlanje mfoka Mango abableed bagcine bangasakhulumi nokuthi bayableeda, sibabona bawa bashona phambi kwethu kanti akusuka ukuthi abazanga bakhuluma sangabathathi serious. Be careful because of you need to react immediately the minute umuntu for the first time akutshela 1 2 3 4 5 and enye ebhlungu mfoka Mango kunabantu mfethu abazenze ngathi ama terminator. Noma ungathulula kangakanani inhliziyo yakho kungena ngapha kuphume ngale. Umuntu umtshele ukuthi ukulimaza kangakanani, instead yokuthi lalela mfoka Mango ba manipulative abantu abanjalo, uacta kwangathi uyakuzwa kanti akakuzwa.
Ijani
Into ayifuna nje ukuthi wena usuke ene uqede uyam-irritate. Hey bud,
uyazi inkinga ngalabo bantu abalalela ukuphendula not to understand you yini ukuthi into ebhlungu ngalento yazini.
Sure.
Awusalinyazwa nayilento yokuthi ngibeke etafleni, here's the issue ngilimazile la.
Sure.
Sengilinyaza ukuthi uyazidefenda and uzidefendela ukungiphinda again kusasa.
Good.
Because but uma ngabe ungilimazile,
sure,
ngakubekela into ukuthi ebhuti yangilimaza was defender, in other words uthi nakusasa ngifuna ukuphinda.
Yo,
kanti uma uvuma bhuta but iphutha lakho,
sure,
usho ukuthi ngiyarepenta kusasa ngeke ngisayenza le.
Sure.
Ngiya acknowledge ama feelings wakho futhi ngiya appreciate ukuthi mfethu thank you so much for ukhombalent, because but here's the thing mfethu, uma ngizobeka into etafleni engilimazayo ngawe,
sure,
uyazi ngisho ukuthini?
Ushukuthini?
Let's fix this thing. Mina nawe sibe right.
Sure.
Angifuni lento ukuthi imosheke, because if uzochubeka wenze 1 2 no 3 uyomosheka. That is why but we always encourage people ukuthi madoda communicate kuma relationship, because ukunga communicate the damage will be more. Abantu bazolimala kakhulu. But if sihlala phansi sithi emfethu ungilimazile, shothi ngithi let's stop the bleeding before it's too late.
Sure.
Uma ngithi emfethu angithandi into yakho yokuthi uzongithethisa efonini.
Sure.
Angithandi indlela okhuluma nami ngakhona.
Sure.
Because yes, as much as I am wrong, but the way ukhuluma nami ngakhona ngathi ukhuluma nengane. Ngisho ukuthini mfethu, mangibeka ama feelings, let's stop the bleeding. Angithandi mfethu ukuthi njalo mawuholile wena imali yakho iphuze utshwaleni but asenze izinto zala ekhaya. It's me communicating my feelings, because ngiyabona le ndaba yotshwala izosimoshela umuzi.
Sure.
Sigcina abantwana bangayi esikolweni, abantwana bangabi nokudla. You understand? Okusho ukuthi but if we're going to be defensive on the issue is going to be more and izofa leyo nto.
You know mfoka Mango, let me release a statement.
Release.
You're going to release a statement. Now ngifuna ukurelease le mfoka Mango. Ngifuna ukurelease.
Sure.
I know we once spoke this thing, but I want to emphasize it again. Esibhedlele noma kuthiwa kunomuntu oku ICU, ayikho into esabisa ama nurse like isilence yomchini. Silence means death. Ngisho noma ama paramedics mfoka Mango afika athola ukuthi akusana inhliziyo ayisekho, akusana nto nama pulse ekuthulile, kwathula yonke into, it means into seyifile. Kunabantu abahlele nabantu aba silent, kanti le silence yabo means the relationship it's over. The minute umuntu mfoka Mango umbona umtexter ongasara ebot, umbona umuntu ukuthi ma umtexter angasabuza ukuthi kungani ungangitexta nga the whole day athuli. No, those are signs that can't interfere. The minute uzenzela yebhuti umuntu oshonile akakhona ukukukhuza. Umuntu oshonile noma ungenzani akasakutshela ukuthi lento yenzayo, akasaphefumuli, akasavula inhliziyo yakho to say 1 2 3 4 5 uyathula. So meaning say the minute you see the following signs, understand that death is around. The minute ubona umuntu mfoka manga angasana ndaba uyapi ubuya nini uyenzani, the minute wenza something understand there is all but ayikho into ethusa umntwana ngokuthi azi ukuthi la ekhaya ngibuya ngo6 o'clock ngabuya ngo8 umzali uzongithethisa. The day ngibuya ngo9 umzali angangithethisi, instead ukuthi ngijabule ukuthi akangithethisanga, I should be worried. The day wenza into wrong and lo muntu othandana naye o lo mngani wakho ozwana naye angasakhulumi, be worried.
Buti lento oyishoyo ifana nokuthi ungazuchithela ipartner yakho.
Sure.
Last time umchithela kwavuka ibhubesi.
Sure.
Wa destroy yonke into.
Sure.
But this time around uyachitha uyathula.
Hey.
Awufile. Usuthandana nesidumbu. Okusho buti akusiko konke ukuthula okungikuthula.
Hey.
Gokunye shothi I'm tired.
Hey.
Futhi sesigqibile.
Hey.
And prophet ungizwe kahle mfowethu, ungizwe kahle.
Sure.
Umuntu ofile.
Sure.
Masikhuluma ngomuntu ofile, akanamizwa, akanyakazi,
sure,
akadli, akarespondi, akaphefumuli, akenzi lutho,
thulile nje.
Into nje ayenzayo yena uthulile.
Yo.
Emthasekhaya uthulile lo muntu othandana naye.
Hey.
Akasenzi lutho, uyazenzela, uyantaruza wena wenza ini, uthulile. Usuwedwa kule relationship. Because but if umuntu uyaphila uyokhuluma. At 1 2 no 3. But some people have killed us in relationships.
Hey, mama.
Kunabantu but mfethu sebayayibuka izinto imosheke because they've tried by all means.
Oh.
Hey,
Mama.
uyayikhumbula lamadoda bawano Jesu emkhumbini.
Sure.
Awakhipha amanzi ngamabhakede. Babona no lento lena ayindawo. Asivuse le ndoda.
Sure.
Ebuti kunabantu abangamvusi kuNkulunkulu vele sekumoshakela.
Hey.
Ebuti that is why ungizwe kahle. Amanye ama couples aya late kuma therapy. Aye neidumbu, aye nesidumbu esiyipartner.
Yo,
Kudala wambulala lo muntu. That is why noma kuthiwa niyaku counseling ayisancengile. Ifike ihleke nina nalo nikhansela naye ukuthi hayibo akezwa lutho uyena ye late.
mfoka manga.
Angeke mfethu ungibulalele endlini bese uyangithwala ungiyisa kaDokotela. Ungibulele ungiyisa kaDokotela. Ngcono ungiyisa kaDokotela ngisaphila. Ngcono ungiyisa kaDokotela ngisenothando lwakho. Yo, ngcono ungiyisa kaDokotela ngisesenayo ikhenyane kona. Ungiyisa sekufile. You are late.
Ebhodi kunabantu kosubayise moshara abangasayi esibhedlela ngoba sekuphelile. Ayisekho lento. And okubhluna uyiphinde emanga kunabantu kose bayiswe moshara esibhedlela. Ebhodi kubalulekile ukunothisa into ezabulala abantu uthandana nabo. Ngoba buti sinenkinga in our generation whereby wonke umuntu mawudibana naye lo muntu lona mina I respect umuntu okhona ukuvula isifuba okhona ukuba honest to say you know what from the previous relationship lengangiyo I'll be honest I'm the one that messed up. I had a good partner. I'm the one that contributed to the mess. But umuntu mfoka manga ozofika enze kwangathi yena akazange aba namaphutha. Ngoba sinabantu mfoka mango abazenza ama superman abakaze baba wrong.
Ingelozi
bona they have never done anything that is wrong. They are but have kubhlungu ukuthandana nomuntu toxic kodwa ongazi ukuthi toxic. Kanti kunezinto lezi bekazenza kuma previous relationship ezenza abanye basali. Kanti admit your contribution means that you are prepared to build. Most of you iphuthe lenzayo niyamosha mase nimoshile nifuna ukumove on ninga acknowledge the contribution that you did eniyenzile la nibuya khona. Ngoba mfoka manga kuyingozi but kuyingozi ukuthi ufike uthola umuntu ungazi ukuthi kwenzakalani naye ongafuna ukuadmit ukuthi sifike la kanjani kwenze kanjani into yami yayi right yayi kahle kuyifike kanjani how did I get here. Ngoba it's very very important to have time of self introspection.
Check man.
But uma kwenzeka, let me say this thing, uma kwenzeka but ugijimise isiso angeke siblame isiso sizobuza udleni ngoba lento eyenza isisu si affect ilento oyidlile. Kunabantu namhlanje but bayagijima bagijimisa isisu kuma relationship but asifuna ukubuza umbuzo important udleni uyenzeni wena, what did you do? Ngoba abanye benu you will never find good partners because of their partners that you messed up in your past. Kunabantu that were ready to settle when you are not ready to settle wagcina ubheda kanti ekubhedeni kwakho uyazimoshela namhlanje uhlezi the age it's going umshado awufiki kuwe but now if we were to be honest and investigate kahle ukhona umuntu wake wakuthanda kahle wena wabona loyo muntu wambona wamesapha wambona eyinja loyo muntu
but asivali yazi prophet mfethu, let me be honest with you.
Sure.
Kunabantu mina engeke ngivuke kusasa ngibuyelene nabo.
Sure.
Because I know ngacishe ngaluza impilo yami ngithandana nalomuntu.
Good.
Yabona puti le verse ethi yeni nanonke niphunyukile enkembeni.
Yeah.
Gijimani ningasabuka emuva. Yo, there are partners who are like that, ex partners.
Sure.
Okungabuyeleki ngeke bhuti noma kuthiwa mfethu bhuti kulanda opresident kulanda ubani bazongiconvince because kunabantu bhuti abacishe basibulala sithandana nabo.
Yo,
kunabantu bhuti we lost ourselves.
You are never the same.
Bhuti ave kubhlungu udibane nomuntu uluzi weight. Ave kubhlungu bhuti udibane nomuntu ushintshe ebusweni ugugu sesemncane.
Yo,
because of the torture.
Yes.
So that is why kunama couples amanye ex couples obebathandana umuzi umunye athi mina ngeke ngibuyelane na umncenge umuntu siyacela buyelana athi ngeke ngamane ngife.
Yo,
kunokuthi ngibuyelana nalo because uyazi ukuthi mangiyobuyelana naye ngiyofa ngiphila ngibe nginaye.
Yo,
but asivale mfowethu.
Mangu, mina ngicela ukuyivala ngalendlela.
Sure.
Be worried ukuthi uma uhlukana nomuntu instead yokuthi akhale ukuthi nahlukana ajabule. Emang I used to wonder and ask myself siphila kwenye generation whereby we have what we call a divorce party. Divorce party, it's when umuntu eceda ukudivorce.
Sure.
Tina into sekhulisiyazo umuntu maqeda ukudivorce uyakhala. In our generation
we celebrate.
Umuntu ethi eceda ukudivorce aye straight ku divorce party ayo celebrate. Uzibuze ukuthi ucelebrateani ngoba lento eceda ukwenzeka ibhlungu. Lalela mfoka mango. In other ways basenda imessage noma kubhlungu kodwa ngiphunyukile kuleya muntu. Ngoba kunabantu bude abafana nejele and you never believe ukuthi ungaphuma kubo. Kuthi the day uzibona sohlukane nabo ulala for 2 weeks ubonga uNkulunkulu engaze ngalala. Kuthi uma uqeda ukuhlukana nabo uzokwa ngathi there is a huge burden that has been removed over your shoulders. Be careful. Uma umuntu azohlukana nawe instead ukuthi akhale yena ajabule ngoba it's natural mfoka mango ukuthi umuntu mawuhlukana naye kubhlungu but kutheni uhlukana nawe instead ukuthi
ngizubhlungu but
ngiyajabula and in fact kunabantu ozohlukana nabo izinto ziqale zenze kuzibuze kanjani kanti sometimes ask yourself a question kutheni that particular person are rejoice kutheni that particular abanye botmo ubatshela uthi it's over okay sharp hayibo I said it's over oh yeah sharp akuna stress I wish you the best no akazami nokukuzama ukuconvince ukuhlala mawuthi it's over
okusho ukuthi bhuti kunabantu abazothi it's over ujabule ukuthi bu-over ubuhlungu
bhuti
sengena kuKenana uhlukane naye usho akusi ukuhlukana konke okuza nobuhlungu
sure
obunye buthi ngaphuma eGibhithe
bhuti
ngaphuma kumaketanga kaFaro
bhuti
and bhuti nenye into engiyidiscoverile sesivala
sure
I discovered this thing ukuthi because bengilonga izibuza why abantu thothi umuntu uthandana nomuntu othize and uma ethandana nalowo muntu uyamhlukumeza but uhleli
sure
uyamhlukumeza maruhleli uyamhlukumeza oruhleli one day ngambuza umunye usisi ngathi siswami kutheni lo mfo elokwegila but lokhu uyabhekezela and to a point uzubekezela nento okungakosanga uyibekezelela respond wathini
sure
but izolo lo muntu ngiqala ukudibana naye bekangithanda okusho ukuthi kunabantu abahlelela ama memories ayizolo kuma relationship
mango
hoping ukuthi lento amosha ngayo manje lezinto azenzayo acabanga ukuthi uzoshintsha abuyele kule yanto bekayenza before
sure
kanti it's a lie
yo
yabona but if singayiyeka lento yokuhlalela ama memories ayizolo yet manje lo muntu ukukhomba into engekho because mina I'm gonna be real with you yikholwe into umuntu akukhomba yona lento ayishoyo
emango esithe sayivala but bengicela ukuwonisha abantu
sure
the fact ukuthi umuntu ufaithful akusho ukuthi ustupid the fact ukuthi umuntu ufaithful akusho ukuthi abekho abantu angabashela or abantu abamshelayo
sure
I want to warn those that have good partners in their lives ungacabangi kwangathi loyo muntu ufaithful ngoba awekho ama temptation
akho
bafo there are better guys than you who drive better cars who have better things abangamshela abaqome or siswami that guy there are better women than you but they chose to stick with you can I tell you something that is very painful the day you're gonna cheat on someone and they find out that you cheated on them it's the day bafa
funeral
I'm telling you but uJesu wafa uJesu ofile noJesu ose ovukile they are not the same
they are different people
so if uJesu wabhekana nokufa wavuka seka different kunalo bekafile how do you expect to cheat on someone and they die and you expect the same person that she was or he was before ngoba cheating angasifike kanjani lana once you do something that is that painful expect a different vision from your partner. Number two, to anyone that is out there that is cheating, let me say this thing. Never ever think you are under control. Yes, there is a scripture mfoka mango esi painful as a scripture. Esithi konke okwenzakala emfihlakalweni.
Hawu.
Hey,
Ngiyovela.
Meaning to say, lento oqhubeka uyenza and get away with it. The day iyovela.
nenye into Mabunda
Mango
ave kubhlungu ukuthi umuntu akuhlukumeze
mango
akuchithele
sibu
akutorture
sibu
bese akubuza athi why ushintshile
hey yo
mfowethu ungilimaze kangaka qeda uzongibuza ukuthi kule insuku ngishintshile
yo
yebo uthi mina ngizokutshela iqiniso
sibu
ipain yamshintsha umuntu
repeat that
kwangathi angirelease le statement esithi the more lokumlimaza uyamgoba uyamshintsha and uzoba ilento ofuna ukuthi abe yiyo
Sibu.
number 2 nenjabulo iyamshintsha umuntu ey ngoba Mabunda kunabantu mfethu umnike nje injabulo ashintshe abe umuntu oright abe umuntu osifazana oright abe indoda eright ngayiphinda futhi ngeke umuntu umlimaze angashintshi
real talk samadoda nyakaze sumuzi 064 6200 751 abafuna ukuthi basinikezele imali lapha that's a Capitec account you can donate any amount of money that you wish and just ufake lapha uthi real talk and then that same number it's available on WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Ningakhohlwa siyadibana nge-31 October sise Cape Town and then 29 November sise Eswatini. See you there.
yeah amen